I see you like to chew. Maybe you should chew on my
He was so blind, in fact, that his enemies would go deadly from overexposure to pure blindness. Fluid! It mattered not how many foes he faced. They were no match for his bodacity. Never before had a panda been so bowed in respect to this great master.
We should hang out.
Agreed.
Why? You don't touch anything, say anything, or do anything unless I tell you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So far, Joker hasn't been seen at any of his old hideouts. I want you to show me the last place he used when he escaped.